Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can put a voice changer on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you.
As you can see, guys, I'm right now on my browser on my computer. So basically, guys, just open uh, any browser on any device and then go ahead and search for Epic Games. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then right here, you're going to find all of the results. Here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find Epic Games, store.epicgames.com. Go ahead and click on this link. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. Basically, guys, once you're here, first of all, make sure that you are signed into your account. And then go ahead and click on your profile icon here in the top. And then go ahead and search for account. Once you do that, just wait for this to load. And then you're going to be right here. As you can see, guys, here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here, you're going to find account settings, email preferences, payment management, transactions, and so on. And right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find apps and accounts. Go ahead and click on it. Then right here, you're going to find two sections, apps and accounts. Click on accounts. And then once you're here, go ahead and search for PlayStation Network. And then you're going to find connect under it. As you can see, guys, in my case, I have removed because I already linked my PlayStation account to my Epic Games account. But if you want to link it, just click on connect and then you're going to be taken to a window where you need to enter your PlayStation Network account credentials. And then you're going to be able to link your PlayStation account to your Epic Games account very easily. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.